We heard of so many horror stories of renovation gone wrong, and IDs running off with money and stuff like that. So we were actually quite worried about that because, it's not easy earning money in Singapore, right?
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.
Our story is that we didn't really have any recommended companies or firms or IDs that we knew of. None of our friends really had renovations done at the time. So we went to Renopedia, the website, and there's a questionnaire, right? So we just decided to, just sign up or just fill in whatever we can and then see what we get.
So we wanted something that was Japan-y. So it was a combination of both Japanese inspired as well as Scandinavian. So we go for a lot of wood and neutral tones, and what we also wanted was minimalistic kind of lifestyle. I would say that Renopedia has provided this portal for you to liaise with different kinds of IDs. But I think as any homeowner, please, you have to do your homework, because they can provide you the link to the IDs, but you need to do the homework and sit down with them and have appointments. So it's better now because you don't have to really meet face to face. You can do it via Zoom, which is what we did for majority of all our appointments.
I think for us it's like a good example of maybe what everything aligning would look like, right? Like we managed to find Renopedia, and Renopedia pointed us in the right step direction. And then from there we picked the right ID, and then the ID did a good job, and all the vendors did their thing. So all the pieces fell together very seamlessly. So I think it's always the first step that is the hardest. But once you get the ball rolling, right, that's when you got the momentum to see things through.
You know what? All you have to do is to sign up on their website, and you can win up to 50,000 through their lucky draw.
50,000.
And if you're a homeowner who's looking to build your dream home without overspending your budget, you know what you can do? Just click on the link below right now.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.